precarious.
What's up, it's Louis Watt. I'm going to take you on an architectural tour of Creepy Town.
Creepy Town is not necessarily a bad thing. It comes from this notion that the out of the ordinary, the quirky, the messy, the broken, the disaffected areas start to have their own charm. Baudelaire wrote a lot about a kind of concept where there's beauty in chaos, there's a pretty beautiful spider web right there. There are many beautiful things going on down by the river. Now that's Creepy Town down there. Ooh, Creepy Town has a new dance floor. Wow, look at this. If there were ever a place just to have a sauvage party, you know, just flash mob. Really watch your step. There is that tree that's growing inside of it. I don't judge Creepy Town, I look for Creepy Town. I wanna go down to Creepy Town. It's right over there. I wanna go to Creepy Town. Tap into the sort of zeitgeist of Baudelaire. See the real texture of the concrete, and you can see the bones of it starting to work their way through. Rusty steel projecting out in a very sharp manner. I think that's what the rebar is inside of a column. There's a sofa. Someone has placed a sofa, and they can briefly sit and have some type of Creepy Town experience where there's spaces that creepy stuff could happen in, and then, boom, modern Creepy Town, leading you up to what will be the future pedestrian bridge. I think that's a wasted opportunity down there. They could at least make a Creepy Town. I mean, you can have a nightclub down there. It's only an architectural theory, Creepy Town.